sociology, and ethics. Ethics is the science of morality. It is concerned with the moral rightness and wrongness of human action. Ethics and sociology are intimately related to each other. Man is a social being. He acquires moral standards, notions of right and wrong as a member of a social group. In other words, it is the society which influences the mental and moral development of the individual. And it is the individual who, in return, seeks to conform his actions to the moral standards of his social group. Thus, the real significance of moral life lies amidst a social group or in society. Sociology is primarily concerned with the study of the social groups, and it investigates into all aspects of human life: economic, political, religious, moral, and cultural. Ethics throws light on the moral life of the primitive individuals and institutions. This provides a background of human conduct and may thus serve a good purpose for contrasting and comparing the moral conduct of the modern life with that of the primitive man. Further, the personal good of the individual must, at the same time, be in harmony with the general good of the society as a whole. It is here that both sociology and ethics come close to each other. This close relationship between the two has induced some ethical thinkers to regard ethics as a branch of sociology. Charles A. Elwood rightly remarks, "It is the business of sociology to furnish a foundation for scientific ethics, and on the other hand, it is the business of ethics to take the ethical implications which a scientific knowledge of human society affords, develop them, criticize, and harmonize them. An ethics worked out upon the basis of the knowledge furnished by the sciences will make a larger use, therefore, of sociological knowledge than of any other form of scientific knowledge." But the two sciences also differ in some essential aspects. Firstly, sociology is a positive science, while ethics is a normative science. Sociology studies institutions, customs, and manners as they are, or have been, while ethics looks upon them as they ought to be. Secondly, sociology studies men and their social relations collectively, while ethics studies men individually as moral agents of the society. Thirdly, sociology is merely speculative and has no practical bearing on any field of social life. Ethics, on the other hand, has some practical bearing on our conduct. It seeks to formulate the rules of conduct which all people should observe. Fourthly, sociology employs mainly historical method in the investigation of its problems. Ethics, on the other hand, seeks to explain human conduct with reference to an end or ideal. Finally, while sociology is concerned with the study of progress of social groups from the point of view of time, ethics is concerned with the progress of society from the point of view of morality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.